What is going on, everybody? My name is Mike and welcome back to another video. Today's video we're going to be talking about sales. So let's jump right into this video. All right, when it comes down to sales, there's a lot of different things that breaks down a great salesperson. Now, when people think sales, they freak out because they think of, like a scummy car salesman or someone who's just really going to try to pound it into them and really just ruin the sale. And that's not sales. That's someone selling you a product and failing. I mean, they might get the money out of it, but you're never going to go back there because the experience wasn't to par. And that is what sales truly is. It's all about the experience and the customer and the client. So the first thing I want to talk about is the client. And one thing you really need to focus on is not degrading your client. When you talk to a client, you want to make sure they're on the same level as you, but as they look up to you as a leader, if that makes sense. So they need to be equal to you, but they need to also look up to you as a leader and someone that's going to teach them and bring them into the future. And that's what you have to show them. So the next step to this is really called caring. And you really need to just care about your clients in a different and special way. I mean, when you talk to your client and you ask them about, the wants and the needs and, what really fits them, and so you can fit a product or a service with them, you really just have to start breaking them down because you need to connect to them as you're, connecting and loving them as they were like your own child, because that's what a real relationship is. And you need to build a real relationship with your client, or this isn't ever going to work. Because the big thing with sales is it isn't only about selling the client in front of you, but that client has such a good experience that he's going to tell his friends, his family, and everybody around him, everybody in his network about you, and they're going to come to you for the same exact experience, taking your competitors out of the picture completely. And that is what sales is, guys. Sales is all 100% about the client, and if you make it about the client and building that true relationship with the client, you're going to succeed 100%. So how do you take your business from down here making, the $2,000 to $3,000 to $4,000, $5,000 a month and scale that to making 10, 20, 30, 40, 50,000, 10 million, 20 million, depending on where you are? And how do you really scale that? And that's through sales, because sales isn't every single day. You use the skill of sales every single day. If you're talking to your girlfriend, you're talking to your mom, you're talking to your teacher, you're talking to your boss, whoever you're talking to, I promise you, you're trying to sell yourself and you're trying to use sales. So really practice your craft, really research sales, because sales is so awesome. It's so amazing. And if you really perfect this craft, you will scale your business like no other. And I cannot preach it enough. It is more about the customer than about your product or your service. That does matter, but at the end of the day, what really truly matters is the client, and making sure you make all the needs and make all the wants of the client and really benefit that client, and make sure you're giving them a bunch of benefits and you're really solving their problem. For not only in the present, so you basically, what you do is you take what's in the present, you find out what their nightmares are right now. Like, oh my gosh, what are they hating? What do they need to fix? What's their real nightmare? What are they scared about? Why are they here for this service? And then you show them the future. You show them the heaven. You show them, how you can help them grow, not just today, but forever, for eternity, for just forever. How you can really scale their business and grow their business, not only today, but every single day for the next 10, 20, 30 years, or whatever it is they're going to be working with you. That is true sales. So what you really need to do is you need to paint the picture of the future. Show them the way. Show them basically a blueprint to how you can take them from here all the way up to here. Because as they're growing, you're going to grow as well with them. And that is true sales. I know I keep saying that, but it's 100% truly about the client. If you take the client's wants and needs and you scale those wants and needs with them and sell them a product or service and really truly help them, you will be happier as a person and you will make more sales, and you're going to just have so many clients that you're just not going to know what to do with. And I've never heard anybody complain about having too many clients or having too many sales or something like that, because that's just insane. Who does not want more sales or more clients with them? And Steve Jobs, he did say once, do you want to spend every single day, every single hour, every single minute, every single second selling a product, or do you want to spend every single day, every single hour of every single minute helping someone? And to me, I want to help people. I want to help people grow their businesses. I want to help people achieve their dreams and achieve their goals, because by people achieving their goals and achieving their dreams or achieving what they want, I also achieve my goals, my dreams, my wants, and my needs. So by me taking out my emotion and taking out, trying to help myself first is going to truly help me in the long run. And that's what I'm trying to preach. Help your clients achieve their goals before yours, and your goals and your lifestyle will follow, guys. My name is Mike. Hope this video helped. Hope it was educational enough. If you guys have any questions about sales and how you can really 10x your business and move it up to the list, hit me up, guys. All my social medias are down below. Make sure you guys smack that like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell because I want to show you guys the way, the path. There's a lot more content coming very shortly on this channel. My name is Mike once again, and I'll see you guys in the next video.